So here we are, right near the fountain na matatagpuan dito sa plaza ng Dalo, Cagayan. Okay? This is one of the nice projects of the municipal government of Lalo. It's a very nice fountain. Parang modern na modern and parang nasa abroad ka. How I feel. Parang nasa Italy ako, no? Okay, at ang official camera woman ko, si Ma'am Grelly. Ha? Okay, so nice. It's very nice. Sa gabi may lights.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yan ang simbahan namin.
Yung Santo Domingo. Okay. Sa may background natin ay siya yung Santo Domingo Church na nakita natin kanina sa paintings, ano. And right here we have our children's park, children's park, where you celebrate annually a month for the children celebration.
Hindi ko na alam. I'm not so
Okay.
familiar kung anong month na yun.
Okay.